Hello, my name is Christoph Zeihsel and today I'm really excited to introduce to you the latest version of RTM Pro. I have it started here already, so let's have a look what's new. First of all, down here at the version information, which in my case is 5.2.2, when you click it, you see that we now have integrated an update manager, allowing you to check for updates right out of the application and also install those without the need of admin rights if necessary. Furthermore, we integrated a demo database allowing any new user to already learn about the application of RTM Pro, about the functionalities without the need of connecting to any data or understand on how they need to be structured in order to work with RTM. Of course, you still have the possibilities of adding new connections, but what is also new is you can now import data from other databases, such as MariaDB, Postgre, Impala, or Databricks. So now let's look into the new layout or the new user interface. We have now put all the most important functionalities up here, right on the top, available on the click of a button. So you have the base functionalities, where we now not only included the regression and linear functionalities, but also multivary and the trend are one of those functionalities that are highly useful for everyone. You still have your standard functionalities here on the side, but everything is streamlined now to minimize the user clicks and maximize the output that you are aiming for. We have also enhanced productivity tools, so I really look forward to get your feedback when you check those out, as well as included some machine learning possibilities. So I really look forward to get your first feedback about this new version, and I'm excited to share with you some additional functionalities in the next couple of days. But now I'm eager to learn what you think about this new version. So just leave me a comment below, also if you want to have a demo of RTM Pro. This is Chris, see you in the next video.